All right, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Lend us your ears, please. We are about to begin the program. We would like to request everyone to settle down and make yourselves comfortable as we enjoy the rest of the evening. Once again, a very wonderful evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Fam Station. I'm Fam Buddy and Fambu, honored to be your host for tonight. We are very lucky for we are chosen to be here and be part of this momentous occasion. As we all know, an 18th birthday marks the transition of a life stage of a person from youth to young adult. Let us all celebrate as our debutante become a full-bloom lady as she turns 18. You see her grow up, you see her smile, you see her love, you see her in everything, and now you are about to see her as a grown-up lady, a lady of a good heart, character, and ambition.
In a land not so far away, there was once a little girl with the beauty of a princess. This girl grew up with so much love and kindness. She is loved by everyone for her beauty inside and out. Her voice is an angel. Her smile bears no limit. She is ready for any adventure for the sake of fun and friendship. More refined than shy, more adventurous than playful, more charismatic than charming, more alluring than beautiful. Indeed, she has all grown up, and what a sight she has become.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to introduce to you the debutante. Let us all welcome our dazzling lady of the night, our Captain Famgel. Please, a round of applause. All right. Ayun, maraming salamat.
Us together, nothing's ever felt like home.
And now, to present the circle of important person in Jel's life, let us all welcome the following person who will share their wishes and offer gift from the debutante. So let us now have the 18 roses, 18 candles, and 18 treasure. First, to share the red rose with our debutante, starting off with ang happy feel ng owner, ang kanyang cupcake. Walang iba kundi si Fam Bu.
Okay. Hi. Ito. Wait lang. Yun. Hi ate, happy birthday sa'yo. Di ko na pahahabain to. Alam mo naman na andito lang ako, kami ni Al, na handang makinig, gumamay sa'yo at handang patawanin ka pag kailangan mo ng makakalat. And gift ko sa'yo, um, um, symbolize 'to ng pagkakaibigan natin to remind you na andito lang ako to make you happy at huwag mo masyadong stressin yung sarili mo sa mga bashers kung meron man and just enjoy your day lang. And basta happy ko na lang yung sasabihin ng iba. Yun, we love you and happy birthday again. That's all.
Alright, thank you very much, Fambu. And now, next, I would like to call ang kahait ng birthday girl. Walang iba kundi si Fam Tiu. Please come up the mic.
Hello. So, tama lang talaga yung rain ko. Hindi, joke lang. Guys, yung sama ng loob, mali lang yun. So, never mind. And, happy birthday, Ate Jel. Sabi nga ni Desmond Magna, let us never know what age is. Let us know the happiness time brings. Not count the years. So, yan. And this is my gift for you. Ito is wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Okay, next. Um, siya yung nag-iisang lalaki at hoging bodyguard ng aming owner. Their Buddy MC. Walang iba kundi si Buddy.
Grabe, dumating na tayo sa point na ganito ah. So, Captain, to my pretty Captain, I would like to say thank you for being part of my life for almost 3 years natin dito sa Lead Match. I always remember your word every time na nagkakaroon tayo ng event. Alam mo to? Buddy, kapag may problema ka sa akin, kapag may problema ka, sabihin mo para alam namin yung gagawin. No pressure, buddy. No pressure. During the day 1, naririnig ko na yan sa'yo. Unang-unang story pa lang natin nun, na halos tayo pa lang sa fam ang nakikinig ng mga story. Hindi rin tayo makaabot nun sa 20 katao sa room. And now, we have a lot of viewers and listeners. Sinasabi mo pa rin siya sa akin. Ito ata yung yung pinaka-memorable word ko sa tala ng buhay ko. Na sa tuwing sinasabi mo sa akin yan, lumalakas ako, nagpapatuloy ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron dun sa word na yun, pero halos lahat ng nasa isip ko nabubura, tapos napapalitan lang siya ng magpatuloy ka nang walang halong kaba. Thank you, Jel, sa paulit-ulit na pagpapalakas ng loob ko. And eto naman yung gift ko sa'yo na sumisimbolo na para kang isang reyna dito sa fam na gusto kong koronahan dahil sa balance mong pagtingin sa amin kahit iba-iba kami. So maraming salamat. Ito yung gift ko.
Okay, next. Um, the debutante's teacup, up na buttercup.
Hello. Good evening, everyone, especially to the ones up there. They're very pretty, very demure, very cutesy, very mindful, and very loud. Teacup. I want to wish you a happy birthday. Thank you for spending your birthday with us, and thank you for welcoming me and making me feel at home. I'm happy to be part of this fun, and hope you enjoy the rest of the day. And if you feel pagod, you're always welcome to my happy birthday again, Lisa. But before I will leave, I have a gift for you. It's just a simple, it's just this gift because this is what we're feeling right now to celebrate your birthday.
All right, thank you very much. Ang lakas ng BGM mo. Oy, thank you sa nagsabi. Wait. May nagpi-PM sa akin, may nagchat-chat. Wala na daw silang MP dun sa likod. Guys, merong gumagalang alak dyan. Pwede nyong tawagin. May gumagalang alak dyan, tsaka space cake, meron yan. Joke lang. Alright, thank you, Buttercup. And now, I would like to call ang drinking buddy ni Jel. Walang iba kundi si Fam Baka. Please, come up the mic.
Hello po. Happy birthday, Shell. And thank you kasi naging kaibigan kitang tunay. And pag may mga problem ka lang, alam mo naman, nandito lang ako. Kainuman mo. Di ba, baby? Papayagan mo kami, Charis. Happy birthday and yun lang. Salamat sa lahat. Tapos, ang gift ko sa'yo, since na lagi ka namang nagma-my day and naggaganito, so, feeling ko deserve mo na to, be. Ay, asan na ba yun? Bakit mapapa-all mic pa yun? Wait. Deserve mo na to, be. Ang manood ng concert.
Alright, thank you very much, Fam Baka. And now, I would like to call ang antukin at nag-iisang baby ni Fam Baka. Walang iba kundi si Fam Bal. Please come up the mic.
Tulog na po, ay joke. Hi, Jel. Happy 18th birthday, Captain. Ang wish lang naman is good health and more birthdays to come. And if gusto mo ng advice, Pwede natin gawin sa room. Anytime. Wag lang gabi. Sobra. Kasi tulog na. So, itong gift ko, since napa-concert ka na, always remember that, sabi nga, a gentle reminder, if something ignites you, chase it and dance the pain away. So, need mo lang mag-disco. Dance the pain away. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Fam Bal. Alright. Next natin is I would like to call you ang isa sa pinakamabait na anak ni owner na si Kwan. Tres, please come off the mic.
Pala, tatalpak pa sana ako. Happy birthday, ma. Wishing you all the best at stay healthy po. And hindi ako nakaprepare ng speech ko eh. Thank you always. And ito yung gift ko sa'yo kasi alam ko isa kang a lovely person. Thank you, ma. Happy birthday. Thank you, ma. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you very much, Tres. And now, I would like sa labas ni Jel na walang iba kundi si DL. Please come off the mic.
Hi, ma. Sige, ma. Tanggap ko na anak na ako sa labas. Happy birthday, ma. Thank you so much sa lahat. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo, ma. Anak mo ako sa labas, may sasa ka. Thank you, ma.
Okay, next. Ang tita ng ating debutant, Nix Lee.
Hi, Jay. Happy birthday. Wishing all the great things in life. I hope this day will bring you an extra share of all that makes you happy. Thank you for sa naging kaibigan ko. Ayun. Kasi Cubs, ay pala, birthday mo pala ngayon. Yung gift ko sa'yo, tagal kong hinanap to since dugo mo. Masyadong special ko dyan, Then, princess siya. Pero hindi naman pwedeng dress lang yan. Dapat meron din siyang wait lang. Dapat meron din siyang wait lang. Ayan. Para kompleto siya. Yan lang, Jel. Happy birthday. Masyashot din kita soon.
Okay, next. Tapos na ba? Our debutant, Ampon, her seat, our cloud. Our debutant, Ampon, her seat.
Cloud, nandyan ka ba, Cloud?
Accept, kanina pa ako nag-up.
Ayan.
Ayun. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Raeko ko. Ayun, happy birthday, sis. Wish ko lang sana yung peace of mind palagi para sa iyo. Alam kong marami kang iniisip sa buhay. Thank you for welcoming me sa fam, pati yung mga ibang ka-fam. So, salamat sa pakikinig sa mga heartbreak moments ko. So, ayun. Pag gusto mo ng kausap, nandito lang ako palagi. Yung ibibigay ko, alam kong pagka nakakita ka ng ganito, medyo, hindi naman medyo, relaxing to kasi madami kang iniisip. So, ayun, I'm always here. Thank you. And happy birthday ulit.
All right, thank you very much. And now, I would like to introduce ang chikadera at tambay busy Kalifto. Please come off the mic.
Hello? Nato. BFF ko. Nagba ako, di ko alam tulag ako eh. Anyway, happy birthday BFF. Pagkanta mo ako, natatawa ako. Happy birthday BFF. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo and mag-iingat ka palagi. Nandito lang kami mga yulo para sa'yo. Lagi ka namin papasaya. Siyempre, ang mga yulo, always yulo. Ito lang kaya ko, BFF eh. Tawid na lang ako sa susunod, BFF. Mahal na naman ako yulo. Ang liit! Bye-bye. Happy birthday, BFF. Uy, baba niyo ko daw, makababa.
Dito siya makababa. Alright. Sorry, wait lang. Nasa mid tuloy ako. Thank you very much, Kalipto. And now, I would like to call ang ex ng ating owner na si Jel. Famdar, please come off the mic. Andyan ba siya? Dar? Ay, nag-relapse. Oh my God. Nag-relapse si Dar. Sorry bigyan natin siya ng konting chance. Sige, relapse ka muna. Nag-relapse dahil kausap yung bago. Wow! Ay, shoutout sa 56 listeners natin My God, wala yata si Famdar. Okay. Tawagin na muna natin yung iba. Alright. Unlog. Kamu na sumabay, ha? And now, I would like to call ang most talkative member ng FAM. Walang iba kundi si FAM Ace. Please come up to mic. FAM Ace, andyan ka ba? Guys, patulong nga guys, yan. Paakyat yung mga ano, ha?
Hello, mic check. Inig ba?
Yes, yes.
Happy birthday, B. Sana happy ka ngayong araw mo. At thank you sa friendship natin. And don't worry kapag nagyaya ka ulit ng inom, di na ako tokis, promise. So anyway, happy birthday. Ito, regalo ko para sa'yo. Wait lang, sasabit ko na lang pala. Umulan, paano ko sasabit? Okay, baba na ako.
Alright, thank you very much, FAM Ace. And now, ang tahimik naman sa FAM. FAM MJ, please come up. Guys, patulong bigyan niyo ng hagdan yung ano. MJ? Bawal po mag-uwi ng Shanghai. Go, MJ. Yes.
Hi, Ate Jella. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Ngayon po kasi nakilala ka namin. Hindi maaari ako ang family niyo. Thank you. Sobra. Yun lang, happy birthday, ate. Ito lang yung gift ko kasi ang dami mo naman na natatanggap. So, simple lang ito, pero ibig sabihin nito is ito yung malaki kasi ito yung ito yung nag-symbolize ng yun, na tinanggap niya kami ng buo. Kahit na nasa malayo kami, kahit nasa Mindanao, Luzon, iba-iba kami, tinanggap ko pa rin kami. Yun lang, happy birthday, ate.
Alright, thank you, FAM MJ. And now, I would like to call from Yulo FAM ang daddy ng ating birthday girl. Walang iba kundi si Anchan. Please come up. Anchan? Nandyan ba si Anchan? Yan, salo muna kayo guys. Calling for Anchan. Ako na. Yan.
Ito na, wait lang, lalayo lang ako. Nasa inuman si Anchan. HBD baby, MBTC. More than Instagram lang talaga yun. At ano ba sasabihin ko? Basta, mahal ka namin. Yun lang yun. Alam mo na yun. Ano bang gagawin ko dito? Ito ka na lang sa akin. Wait lang, di pa ako tapos. Huwag ka munang maingay. Nagbabati ako dito. Ito ba? Ayan, perfect. Like ka sa akin kasi like kita. Okay na. Baba niyo na ako. Nag-inom na ako. Tagay ko na. Shout out sa inyo lang.
Alright, thank you very much. Ang representative ng Yulo or spokesperson ni Anchan. And now, I would like to call ang beshi ng ating debutant. Walang iba kundi si Alpha. Please come up.
Ano ba? Beshi, happy birthday. Hindi ko kasi alam kung cake ba ibibigay ko sa'yo o bouquet. Pero eto na lang muna. Eto. Tapos hindi kasi kita nabigyan ng cake kanina. Happy birthday. Yung message ko sa'yo, take it easy lang. Lagi. Andito lang yung Yulo para sa'yo. May uuwian kang bahay sa amin. Sa rides, may uuwian ka din. Ano pa ba? Gift na ako yung rest na message ko. PM ko na lang. Si gift ko sa'yo, dalawang lobo ka sa akin kasi lagi kang lumilipad. Marshmallow kasi ang lambot ng puso mo kahit doon sa mga bashers mo. Ano pa ba? Yung puso ng Yulop, ba't ayaw masan sa'yo? Wait lang. Papalit pa rin ko yung puso galing sa Yulo tsaka sa rides. Ano ba naman si Python? And last, ano ba? World Cup. Kasi hindi lang sa farm station ka tinuring as ano ba? Kasi hindi pag trophy sasabihin ko eh. Para sa amin kasi naging parang ikaw yung nagbabind sa amin. From farm station to Yulo to rides. Kahit saan mapunta, ikaw yung the best beshi na meron kami. Yun lang. Happy birthday, beshi.
Alright, thank you, Alpha. Parang nagwo-word play si si Alpha. Kasama yung gift. Guys, hindi ko agad-agad mababasa yung mga mention niya sa akin. Sorry. Mamaya i-review na lang natin. Naka-camera. Makikita dyan yung mga nagbabalagbagan May cameraman tayo dyan. Alright. At ang pinakahihintay nating lahat, the last dance is of course our debutant husband, best friend, her human diary, and most loving bebe. Walang iba kundi si Fam Al.
Hello, B. Wait lang. Ala ko nakita nagbigay sa'yo ng rose. Ito na lang bibigay ko sa'yo. Madaming rose. Ay, madaming flowers. Wait, mute ko nga si Buddy. Nag-e-echo ako eh. Happy birthday, be. Wait, happy birthday. Ito, Badud. Then, naunahan ako ni Pale. Yun dapat yung gagawin ko eh. Pero sige, gawin ko na lang din. Sweet Candy kasi you're the sweetest person na kilala ko. Sweet ka pero minsan galit. Vicks. Then, sobrang mapagmahal mo sa amin, pam mo. Then, banana kasi antukin ka. Pero minsan sobrang hyper mo. Then higit sa lahat, sobrang sexy mo. Sexy. Pinterest na lang. Then yun, happy birthday, bebe ko. Mahal ka namin. Then, sana soon makita mo na yung magpapasaya sa'yo. At magmamahal sa'yo. Enjoy mo yung, enjoy mo lang yung life mo. Nandito lang kami, kahit anong mangyayari. Love you. Bye-bye.
Alright, thank you, Fam Al.
Yan, Lambor. Ano yan? Yung romantic tour. Romantic tour. Ala. Okay, thank you. Oh my God. Masaya ako pero sige. Thank you, be.
Alright, thank you, Fam Al, again. Check DM. Pa-reply. Alright. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-participate. At syempre, papalampasin pa ba natin yung gabi? Gusto naming marinig ang iyong mensahe mula sa iyong mga narinig kani-kanina lamang. I would like to call ang birthday girl ng Famjel. Please, open your mic.
Ayan. Oh, ay, Mary. Hello, rinig ba ako? Sorry, ang sobrang lag ko. Sobrang thank you sa mga messages. Hindi ko alam, iyak tawa yung nararamdaman ko. Hindi ko na alam. Okay. So, ayan, good evening. It's wonderful to see everyone and I sincerely hope you are all enjoying yourselves. Ay, Nako. First of all, I would like to thank Gideon Hermosa, my stylist, for bringing my visions to life and for making this venue amazingly beautiful. To Michael Cinco for my beautiful gown. To Coral Garcia for my hair and makeup. Thank you, Juan Carlo Caterer, for providing delicious foods for my beloved guests. And of course, thank you to Nice Print Photography for my photos and videos. Joke lang. Ayan, ay, naiiyak kasi talaga ako. Eto, seryoso na. So, I would like to begin by thanking God by giving me another year, of course. I'd also like to thank FAMBU and FAMBuddy, the event coordinator and MCs, for making my dream come true and making this event successful. Thank you to FAMAL and Madame for providing the background, to FAMTRES for capturing tonight's occasion. Additionally, I want to express my sincere appreciation to my relatives, friends from YULO Fam, friends from Ride or Die, and my friends from different families for being present at this significant day of my life. I especially want to express my gratitude to Fam Station. Of course, this event would have never been possible without you, and I appreciate everything you've done for me over the course of my life, not just tonight. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all for making my birthday so special and for making it the best day ever. Thank you!